When it comes to voice AI, 11 Labs is surely one of the leaders. They have quite recently released a new model which is called as Multilingual V2. This new multilingual voice generation model is capable of accurately producing emotionally rich AI audio in nearly 30 languages. These advancements, based entirely on their own in-house research, will allow creators to produce localized audio content for international markets across Europe, Asia, and Middle East. It covers languages as diverse as Turkish, Tamil, Arabic, English, Chinese, Ukrainian, and lot of others. And the list is growing. Now, this rollout follows the public release of their professional voice cloning to all creators on the platform. This product update, which was made available just recently, also has some really cool safety and security features which enables users to create a perfect digital copy of their own voice, once that virtually indistinguishable from the original. Let me show you a simple demo of this from their website. You can also sign up on their website, which is 11labs.io, for your free account because they also offer a free tier. I will drop the link in video's description too. If you go to that website and scroll down a little, you will see that they already have this sample. Let me play it out for you.
Labs takes a radical leap forward in its efforts to eliminate the linguistic barriers of content with the release of a new foundational deep learning.
So this is just an AI voice narrating some text. If you go to their website and then click on this try multilingual V2, you would need to create a new account and then you can sign up for free. Once you sign up, you can do speech synthesis and various other things. If you want to do more advanced thing, you would have to create a paid account. But let's try out the free account. So as you can see in this speech synthesis, all I'm doing it, I'm just giving it a text. Then you need to select a voice and they have a lot of different voices from male to female with different accents. As you can see, there is Ethan for whisper, and then there is a calming voice from Emily. Let's try this one out. And they say that s- switch to 11 multilingual V1, but let's try out the V2 one for this one. And then you can do the voice settings too. So you can choose stability, clarity, exaggeration. I'll just keep the default for now. Cool. Now from this drop down, you can select 11 multilingual and you can select different languages from here. And then if you want to go to the previous models, you can select from here. Okay, let's keep it default with V2 and let me play this one out for you. It will click on generate. It will first generate the voice and then we'll play it out. Let's try it out.
How are you doing today?
That's it. So you can see how cool and how clear that voice was. Now you can add your own voice after synthesizing it. So click on add voice here and here you can add a generative or your clone voice. So click on plus and then you can design your own voice here. You can do the voice cloning, but that is a paid version. And then you can select from their voice library, which I just showed you. And you can also do professional voice cloning, but again, that's a paid version. Click on voice design and from here you can select a lot of things. For example, you can select the vendor of the voice, gender of the voice, then age. Let's go with maybe old, accent American. Let's select uh, Australian, and then maybe just give it some text like this, and let me click on generate. It will generate it and then it will play it out. So let's wait for it.
Why this young generation always seem to be glued to their phones and iPads. They have no time for their elders, and they have no interest in learning about the traditions. I am so worried and anxious about them.
So you can see not only it has very successfully narrated the text after converting it to speech, but it also identified the sentiment behind this um, text and then it is reflected in the speech. Let's give it some, instead of anxious tone, just give it something joyful. let's see if it detects it, and then maybe I'll go with a male this time. Generate. Okay, it says it should be at least 100 characters. Really great. For, let's click on generate. Let's wait for it.
Hurrah, the Matildas won the Soccer World Cup. Well, almost. I am so excited and over the moon. This is really great for women's soccer.
Yeah, I think that was perfect, and it really identified the sentiment behind the text, which is really cool. So this is it. I will drop the link to this website in video's description so that you can go and play around, and you can already see that this AI voice field is really exploding, and I think we are in for really cool surprises in the near future. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.